AI feels intimidating. Complex code, advanced math, years of experience. That's the myth. Today, you'll see how simple your first AI project can actually be. AI isn't reserved for experts anymore. Modern tools have removed the complexity, allowing anyone to build real, working AI systems without deep technical knowledge. Imagine saying, "Turn on the lights," and your home responds. Or music starts playing the moment you walk in. That's not science fiction. That's accessible AI. In this video, we'll build a foundational smart home assistant. Not a toy, not a demo, a functional, personalized AI system you can actually use. Every AI project starts with one question: what problem am I solving? For our assistant, the goal is simple: listen, understand, and act. You don't need to build everything from scratch. Open source libraries, APIs, and smart home platforms handle the hard work, so you can focus on logic and creativity. AI isn't magic, it's logic. If the user says, "Turn on the lights," then the assistant sends a command. This is where intelligence becomes action. True AI adapts. You can teach your assistant preferences, lighting levels, favorite playlists, even time-based behaviors. This is where your project becomes personal. Once built, deploy it where you need it: your phone, a computer, or a smart speaker. Test, improve, expand. AI grows with iteration. This is where your project becomes personal. AI doesn't begin with complexity. It begins with curiosity and a single project. If you can imagine it, you can build it. Welcome to your first step into AI.